You have a Lenovo. For some reason, we can't get the display to turn on. I believe it's a back fuse problem, backlight fuse. So here's the fuse right here on the screen. Gonna replace it and see if it fixes the problem. Okay, so I replaced the fuse using one of these MacBook backlight fuses. It seems to be same size, so I used it. Okay, so right now we're about to plug this calling it MacBook, but we're about to plug this Lenovo.
It's a Yoga 14 Type 20 FY.
So the problem with this is the screen stopped working, and come to find out there was corrosion on the cable. So after replacing the cable, oh, the fan is not spinning.
It's off right now.
Oh, it's off? Okay, yeah. Turn it on.
The cable,
fan is spinning.
the LCD.
We got a new LCD, and we just replaced the back fuse, and look at that. Works beautifully. Okay, fully assembled. Look at this. This baby is working and looks great.